Do your knees ache when walking, climbing stairs, or even sitting for long periods? Knee pain is one of the most common struggles after 50. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or strong medications to find relief. With the right natural oil, you can soothe knee pain right at home. In this video, I'll reveal the best oils, how to use them, and extra lifestyle tips to keep your knees strong and pain-free. The problem: why knee pain happens. Knee pain doesn't come from age alone. It's usually the result of wear and tear of cartilage, arthritis or inflammation, weak muscles around the joint, poor posture or excess body weight, lack of proper nutrition. The pain leads to stiffness, swelling, and difficulty moving. Many people feel trapped, believing surgery or lifelong medicine is the only solution. But that's not always true. Nature provides safe and effective remedies. Mistakes that make knee pain worse. Before we get to the solution, let's address common mistakes that increase knee pain: ignoring early pain signals and pushing too hard, using heavy painkillers instead of treating the root cause, lack of exercise leading to weaker muscles, overweight stress on knee joints, using the wrong shoes or walking posture. Golden tip: knee pain worsens with neglect. Early care is the best care. The solution: oils for knee pain relief. The most powerful, natural solution for knee pain is therapeutic oils. These oils reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and relax stiff muscles. Let's look at the best ones you can use at home. Top oils for knee pain relief. 1. Mustard oil. Warm slightly and massage into the knees. Improves blood circulation and reduces stiffness, especially helpful for arthritis-related pain. 2. Olive oil, rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Works as a natural pain reliever. Massage daily to keep joints lubricated. 3. Coconut oil has soothing and cooling properties. Reduces swelling and hydrates skin around the knees. Mix with a few drops of peppermint oil for added relief. 4. Eucalyptus oil contains cineole, a natural anti-inflammatory, relieves pain and improves flexibility. Best used diluted with a carrier oil like olive oil. 5. Castor oil deeply penetrates tissues, easing chronic pain, improves circulation, and helps reduce stiffness. Works well as a warm compress after massage. Golden tip: always warm the oil slightly before massaging. This helps the nutrients absorb better and increases relief. How to use oils for best results. Here's a simple routine for knee pain relief at home. Warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen oil. Gently massage in circular motions around the knee for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover with a warm towel or heating pad for deeper absorption. Repeat daily, preferably before bed. Consistency is key. One massage won't cure pain overnight, but daily use will reduce inflammation and stiffness over time. Foods that support knee health. Oils work best when paired with the right nutrition. Eat foods that strengthen cartilage and reduce inflammation. Protein: eggs, chicken, fish, beans, calcium, and vitamin D. Milk, yogurt, leafy greens, sunlight, omega-3s, salmon, chia seeds, walnuts, antioxidants, berries, turmeric, ginger, whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa. Golden tip: turmeric with warm milk or tea is a natural anti-inflammatory drink for joints. Simple exercises to relieve knee pain. Strong muscles reduce stress on the knees. Try these gentle moves: seated leg extensions, strengthen thigh muscles. Wall squats, shallow, support hip and knee strength. Calf raises, improve ankle and knee stability. Hamstring stretches, reduce stiffness. Walking or swimming, low impact exercises to keep joints flexible. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can transform your knees. Lifestyle habits for healthy knees. Beyond food and oils, lifestyle plays a huge role in pain management. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce joint pressure. Wear supportive shoes, avoid high heels or flat sandals. Practice good posture while standing and sitting. Avoid sitting cross-legged for long periods. Use heat therapy or warm baths for added relief. Stay active. Resting too much makes joints stiff. Golden tip: motion is lotion for your joints. Keep moving to keep them healthy. Outro final motivation: knee pain may feel like an unavoidable part of aging, but it doesn't have to control your life. With the right oils, simple exercises, nourishing foods, and smart lifestyle habits, you can find relief naturally right at home. Golden tip: your knees carry you through life. Take care of them daily. So tonight, warm up some olive or mustard oil. Give your knees a gentle massage and start building the habit of natural care. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more golden health tips. Stay strong, stay active, and give your knees the care they deserve.